Lately, I've been getting so many questions from you guys on what the best AI tool for marketing is. And honestly, I'm super deep in the testing phase because I'm about to launch my own branded store. I fully understand you guys' frustrations because the problem that I keep on running into is that there's not really that many tools that can do multiple things in one go and do them well. So if you're anything like me, you've probably spent so much money on monthly subscriptions for multiple different AI tools, most of them being credit-based. So you have to keep on repurchasing credits on top of whatever you're paying monthly for your plans, which is really annoying. The main thing that I've been looking for recently is something that handles everything in one go. And if you're anything like me and you're chronically online, then you've been seeing Zeely AI all over Instagram ads right now. So what I decided to do was test it, get used to it, and give you guys an honest take on it. Now, in short, Zeely is an AI marketing platform, which is actually built for small to medium-sized businesses and just people in general that need the marketing results without the big teams and giant budgets that go behind them. One thing that I love about it is that the marketing knowledge is actually already built into the platform. So even if you're a complete beginner to marketing, it will actually guide you through the step-by-step process. What you do is you essentially tell it a little bit about the product that you want to promote, and it builds the entire ad campaign behind it. So it can turn your basic photos into static and video ads for your product that actually look professional. The AI platform is already trained to understand what's performing well and currently trending. It also launches across multiple platforms. So if you're on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, it does everything. And most importantly for beginners, it actually tells you what to do with the results. Most of these tools make you do each of the steps in a completely different app. Zeely doesn't, it's all in one place. Today I'm actually going to show you how it works so you can fully understand it for yourself and see how genuinely easy it is to use. I'm going to pick a random product, like for example a green juice, to promote, so I can show you how we can literally go from a simple product into a proper brand that targets a really specific audience. By the way, if you guys do want to sign up to Zeely so you can try it for yourself or even do the tutorial alongside me, you can go ahead and sign up with the first link down in my description. So once you're in the back end, this is what it's going to look like. So what you'll do is head over to products, and keep in mind that you can actually promote any type of product with Zeely now. So you could do digital products, you could do services. Something that I absolutely love about Zeely AI is that I don't actually even need to upload images. I don't need to write anything. It will literally pull all the details from the existing store. So for example, this green juice from Press London, I literally just need to copy the URL and paste it directly into Zeely. From here, it will generate the link. As you can see, it's pulled up exactly what type of product it is, the name, the description from the original listing, and also the exact price of the product. Just for reference, guys, it doesn't only need to be a physical product. You could do it even with like a service-based business. So this, for example, is a wellness space. This is an entire app, so you can even do digital products. But yeah, from here you can head over to the image studio where you'll be able to create an image ad. So you can just select the main image of the product, and then you can go ahead and select whichever ad style that you like. This is a library that is filled with ads that already work, so there's no guesswork involved. And the great thing about it is you can select multiple and it will generate them in the back end. You don't need to do them one by one and wait around like most of these other platforms. It will literally generate them all in the background for you so you can run multiple tasks at the same time. In the meantime that the photo ads are being generated, we're going to head over to the video studio and start generating those as well. So you can head over and select the product again. From here, you can select the AI avatar. You can select the script format, which it already has proven and viral ones to go off, so you don't have to come up with anything once again. For example, if you wanted to also create like the proper UGC style ones where it looks like it's a real person holding the product and talking about it, you can head over to the UGC factory, which is actually a new feature. Again, select the main photo of the product. So you can actually just trust AI to figure out exactly what the product is and make a UGC video based off what it thinks would suit the product best. And there's also the option for a fashion try on. So for example, for my personal store, I'm going to be selling bags and shoes, so this will be absolutely perfect for that. There's also a service showcase. So for example, if you need testimonials or if you need to make it look like someone is promoting the product for you, even just any influencer style videos, or of course just the product showcase, which is just an influencer holding the product in hand, live-o demonstrating it. From here, you can go ahead and select a reference, so you can go off whichever model that you like. Of course, you want to make sure that actually suits the product that you're showcasing, so it makes sense. For example, I would choose an influencer that is maybe going to the gym or holding some sort of a skincare item or cosmetic to make it look like, because these are typically people that take care of their health, and this is exactly who my target audience is. Even if I really wanted to, I could keep the exact style the same as the girl that's holding the bottle, but just change the avatars. So if you look through, you can go ahead and select anyone. one. This one, for example, is Talia, which we can generate another video. There's also Kendra. We can select Kendra to try this product. So we have multiple options to go through. We can really just experiment and test out multiple different ad creatives. In all honesty, it would be completely unclockable that these are not real people. Like from the hair all the way down to the skin texture, this looks like a legit ad. As you can see, all of the ad creatives that were working in the background are now ready. So we can just click into them and review what AI has generated. This right here is the first one that I generated. And as you can see, there's no like warp into the image. One thing that I've noticed immediately as someone that uses AI a lot is that when you use like ChatGPT or Claude or Gemini to create images, what typically happens is that it will warp the images on the product. So you'll get like random letters or misspelled words on the actual product that you're trying to create the image for. And one thing that I can honestly say really shocked me about Zeely is that that never happens. Like I've not seen any ad creatives that come out with the text warped ever. Once you mess around with Zeely, you get a great idea of what works. As I said, it's amazing because you can actually put out so many different versions of ad creatives. One thing that I will say is amazing that I've never seen any other platform do is that instead of generating the video and wasting a whole bunch of credits on the video, you get to generate the image first, approve that, and then use that for the video. So as you can see, based off the picture that we approved, this is the video that it generated.
My secret for glowing skin is this bottle. Daily Sweet Greens is packed with nutrients and tastes amazing. You need to try it.
I feel like it's extremely rare, especially as a beginner, to do this by yourself. Because as you can see from like the skin texture, the hair, all the way down to the fact that the liquid is moving inside the bottle as she's talking, it's so insanely hard to get that replicated with AI. Most of these platforms cannot do it, and most beginners are not able to do it either because they don't know how to prompt the AI. This is something that was genuinely so mind-blowing to me. Even this one, if we want to review that.
Finally, a green juice that actually tastes good. Daily Sweet Greens is my secret for hitting my nutrition goals without the stress.
Again, where do you get such realistic movement in an AI video? I'm not even going to name some of the other AI platforms that I use to generate video ads because Zeely genuinely puts them to shame. I feel like if I saw those videos on my feeds, I would genuinely struggle to clock that they were made with AI. But yeah, once you've got a batch of creatives that you really like, you can actually launch directly inside of Zeely as well. So you can do this organically or even paid. For this video specifically, I'm going to walk you through a paid campaign. From the dashboard, we're going to head over to paid campaigns and we're going to create a campaign. From here, you can connect your Facebook account. If you're promoting on Instagram or Facebook, you're going to want to connect your Meta account. If not, you can actually use the Zeely Meta partner account. And something that's great about doing that is that you actually get faster approval on the ads. From here, you're going to go ahead and insert the destination link. So the website for the product that you're promoting. You can go ahead and give your campaign a name. So I'm just going to put test. And from here, we're going to be selecting the objective that we want from this campaign. So for me, it's just traffic. I'm trying to drive traffic to the website. For this campaign, I'm going to select these 3 photo ads, these 2 video ads that we generated. Now you can actually review the ads before they go live. As you can see, there's no extra work for you. Zeely will come up with the exact title and description of the ads. So you can go ahead and just review quickly and go live. From here, it will even build up a warm-up page for you. So this is a page that pops up when people click on the ad. I quite like the minimalist white one. So I'm going to continue with that. Now, if you have experience with running ads, then you can go ahead and build your own audience. If not, I definitely suggest that you just use the suggested audience if you're a complete beginner, because you still get some data and you get to understand it for yourself before you go and put money into something that might not work. Now, you can either use the suggested audience that Zeely gives you, which is great if you're a complete beginner and have no idea what you're doing. But if you actually know exactly who you're targeting, then you can click on build your own audience and select the ages, the gender, and the locations. I'm going to be sticking with the suggested audience for the purpose of this video. And from here, you can actually select your ad budget and your duration, and then you can go ahead and launch your campaign. In general, the absolute lowest that you should be spending per day is around $5 to $20. In my opinion, the absolute lowest that you should be spending on ads is $10 daily. And I typically like to run it for at least 10 days just to actually get good data. Meta typically needs a good amount of time to actually understand who the audience is, who is actually reacting to the ads, so they can stabilize the cost per result. And from here, you'll be ready to launch your campaign. Now, since I've just launched the campaign now, I obviously don't have any results to show you guys. In a few days, I'll be able to actually review the results right inside Zeely. So we can actually look at the performance metrics, analytics, everything all in one place. If you do want to see a video with the results, do let me know down in the comments. I'm more than happy to do a part 2 of this. But yeah, I think I've more or less shown you guys all of the important parts of Zeely. As you can see, instead of paying for 5 to 10 different platforms, you can do everything in this one platform. And all of the things that it does, it actually does very, very well, which I do have to say is extremely rare for AI platforms nowadays. I feel like in general, if you're a small to medium-sized business owner, you'll probably catch yourself spending a lot of time kind of tussling back and forth with so many different AI platforms to get one good ad creative or to get copywriting done and stuff like that. So those hours that you save, you can actually put into the high leverage tasks that actually help your business. I'd say the only downside that's not actually even really major is that it doesn't yet produce multiple shots in the UGC ads. So for example, if someone is holding the green juice, it's literally just that one head-on shot instead of, for example, them like drinking it from the side, like in their kitchen, and then, I don't know, going outside, taking a swig. Like, I would actually love to see more of like an actual influencer TikTok video style being created. But yeah, I'm looking forward to seeing that as a feature at some point, hopefully. Another thing that I think is just me being picky, but like I would love to see, for example, with the photo ads, since there's text on it, I wish that I could just like click into it and edit the text myself. Now, I'm not saying that you can't edit it, because you absolutely can. You can click on edit and then just highlight what it is, and then just actually mention what you would like to change in the text and stuff. But I wish it was just like a quick little, you know, like type it up and go. But yeah, outside of that, I would say I genuinely have no real complaint. Like, as a whole, it's a very strong platform, and if you have been seeing it on Instagram, I definitely recommend that you give it a shot, because I'm definitely glad that I did. I feel like it's definitely tailored to solopreneurs and small to medium-sized businesses that typically run away from ads, which is something that I also did for the longest. And the reason for that was because it felt too complicated, too expensive, and also even just hiring an ads expert is mind-blowingly expensive. I couldn't even tell you how much I paid at the start of Glowithgia when I was hiring people on Fiverr to create ads for me, and I literally got my Facebook ads account blocked multiple times because of them. So I would say if you are starting ads in this day and age, you're really in the sweetest spot possible. AI has just taken over completely, and it's made everything so insanely easy and, most importantly, affordable. Like, for the first time ever, I can hands down say that I genuinely believe if you really wanted to, you could start $1 million business by yourself. This is the first time in history that I've genuinely felt that way. But yeah, that's my honest take on Zeely. As I said, if you've been putting off running ads because it just feels overwhelming and out of budget and just overly complicated, then this is definitely a tool that I would recommend you look into. And yeah, that is all from me. If you have any questions at all, please do drop them down in the comments. I'll be sure to reply. Best of luck, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.